In travel news for April 19th, 2023, we talk about an iconic resort in Kauai that's about to get a makeover. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, and this is Today in Travel. The iconic Coco Palms Resort on the picturesque island of Kauai, famous for its role as the backdrop for the 1961 film Blue Hawaii, starring Elvis Presley and Joan Blackman, is gearing up for a much-awaited revival. Once a popular retreat for Hollywood's elite, the resort suffered severe damage from Hurricane Iniki in 1992 and has since fallen into disrepair. Despite numerous attempts to restore its former glory, none have been successful until now. Reef Capital Partners has announced ambitious plans to bring new life into the historic 46-acre property. With a budget of $250 million and an estimated construction timeline of 3 years, the project seeks to honor the resort's storied past while embracing the future. The redevelopment will include the construction of a new hotel and cultural center that pays tribute to the property's rich history. While there is excitement surrounding the revival of the Coco Palms Resort, some members of the local community have expressed concerns about the impact of the construction project. The Kauai Council chairman acknowledged these sentiments, but emphasizes the company's commitment to respecting the island's people and heritage. Reef Capital Partners managing partner Patrick Manning expressed this dedication to the Associated Press, stating, "Even though we know there are many that don't want it rebuilt, we intend to be viewed and earn a reputation for doing everything we can do to honor the past and respect the people of Kauai and guests of Kauai and how we manage its future." This announcement comes at a time when the Hawaiian government is considering measures to address the environmental impact of tourism on the islands. One such proposal involves the introduction of a year-long pass for tourists to access parks and trails, helping to offset the damage done to coral reefs, dolphin habitats, and other environmental concerns. With the Coco Palms Resort set for a grand transformation, travelers can look forward to experiencing a piece of Hawaii's cinematic past while embracing the island's commitment to preserving its natural beauty and cultural heritage. Today in Travel is brought to you by the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in accessible travel. Our goal is to help all travelers, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.